Crutches for Africa is one of those programs that you only run into every now and then. It is taking advantage of something that we take for granted. It is giving a gift to something that we would never even consider needing to give. Walking, mobility, being able to do stuff on your own. It is giving independence. And that's incredible.
This is only the start to what we can do with Crutches for Africa. Over the coming years, we will be able to increase what we're sending with the help of fundraising through you. Just this year, I posted a video that went viral and raised over $10,000 in just 2 days. This can be doubled and tripled in the future. So we need your help in order to continue fundraising for Crutches for Africa and sending mobility devices to people in need.
You think water is important? You think education is important? If you can't get to the well because you can't walk, guess what? Mobility is more important. If you can't get to school to get an education, the same thing is true. Mobility is the basic element of life. We need the equipment that you have stored in your garage, in your shed, in the basement. Please donate. Help us now. Crutches for Africa.
Crutches